Hi, Brian here again from Cars in Tillsonburg. Just thought I'd bring you up to date on what's going on with our Chevelle project. Pat's been underneath here just working away. He's cut out some of the old panels. I think I showed you last time. We've cut this all out and because there was hidden rust here and hidden rust here. Don't need that anymore. And we put these new panels. They're wonderful because they're made to factory specs, so the fit and finish is really good. So Pat has cut this all out, cleaned all up where there was any rust, repaired any areas that needed repairing. And what we've done here is there's a new product out on the market. It's a panel glue, and it's wonderful stuff. It's so strong that you can even try to tear it away with vice grips, and once it's bonded, it will rip the metal away. So what it does is it gives a really firm contact between here, and it also insulates where it won't rust again because you cover the whole area with the glue. And once it cures, it's amazing stuff. And also there's spots where he has plug welded like they did at the factory. When these panels originally came from the factory, they were welded with a welder, and we're still doing the same thing here to give it the authenticity. So moving forward now, he's replaced the outers, and he has the inners to go in. That will go in. Then we'll slide the floor section in here and start to square everything up. The key here is, over years, the body shifts a bit, things change a bit, like all of us. And you have to realign and make sure everything's square. So what he'll do here is slide the floor back in here, make sure everything's square. The chassis is done at the sandblasters. We're going to pick it up today, get it back here, and we'll probably set the body back on top, do some measurements, make sure everything's good and square. If that's the case, he'll tack weld everything in, then we'll slide the trunk section in, make sure that's all lined up, the body mounts and everything. All this will be all in and new, and we'll start squaring things up from there. Once that's done, we'll finish weld everything and start painting. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you up to date as things come along. Thanks. Bye.